What if the Eiffel Tower wasn't just rebuilt, but reimagined with Tesla's futuristic technology? Would it still just be a landmark, or would it become the world's most advanced smart structure? Today, let's step into the future and explore how Tesla's vision of innovation, energy, and design could transform the Eiffel Tower into something we've never seen before. The Eiffel Tower was first built in 1889 for the World's Fair in Paris. At the time, it was an engineering marvel and a bold statement of human ambition. Rising over 300 meters tall, it symbolized progress and became one of the most visited landmarks in the world. But now, imagine Tesla stepping in to redesign this icon with cutting-edge technology, renewable energy, and futuristic design. If Tesla rebuilt the Eiffel Tower, it wouldn't be made of the same old iron lattice. Instead, Tesla could use lightweight carbon composites, self-repairing alloys, and even transparent smart glass that shifts color based on sunlight. Imagine a structure that glows without traditional electricity, fully powered by solar energy built into every surface. This tower could heal itself from weather damage using nanotechnology. It wouldn't just stand tall, it would live like a futuristic machine. Tesla is all about sleek design and functionality. Think of Tesla's signature LED lighting system displaying art, global events, or even real-time messages across the skyline. Elevators wouldn't just go up and down. They could move sideways using Tesla's magnetic levitation tech, making rides smoother than ever. Visitors could even sit in glass pods powered by Tesla batteries, giving them a panoramic floating tour of Paris. This tower wouldn't just be a monument, it would be an immersive Tesla experience. At Tesla, sustainability is the foundation. Floors could generate electricity from footsteps, while rainwater would be collected and purified for use inside. Artificial intelligence, much like Tesla's self-driving tech, would constantly monitor the tower's structure, adjust energy flow, and keep everything safe. This wouldn't just be a tourist attraction. Visiting the Tesla Eiffel Tower would be like stepping into the future. Instead of waiting in lines, people could book Tesla-style AI virtual tours customized for every visitor. Some might explore its digital twin in the metaverse, while others arrive in drone taxis powered by Tesla's air mobility tech. Inside, robots could serve food at futuristic restaurants, while transparent sky pods float around the tower. The experience wouldn't just be about seeing the city, it would be about living inside Tesla's vision of the future. The original Eiffel Tower was a symbol of French pride and innovation. A Tesla-designed Eiffel Tower would symbolize more than that. It would stand for global progress, renewable energy, and the fusion of culture with technology. Imagine the tower lighting up in Tesla's signature futuristic glow during world events, representing a future where technology serves humanity and the planet. It would no longer just be a steel monument in Paris. It would be a living, intelligent, and sustainable masterpiece, a landmark that proves the future isn't something we wait for, it's something we build. The question is, if Tesla can reinvent cars, rockets, and energy, could they one day reinvent the world's most iconic landmark? If you enjoyed this future journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. If Tesla redesigned the Eiffel Tower, what futuristic feature would you add?